How to lock images and elements in Google Slides. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, there is no direct way to lock images and elements in Google Slides, but I have a workaround for you. So, let's dive right in. Open up your Chrome and then go to your Google and then go to the nine dots in the top right and then scroll down and open up your slides. Now, open up the slide that you want to work on and then I want to lock the elements in the third slide. Then I go to the third slide and go to File in the top left and then tap on download. Now you can download the PNG image. And then once it is downloaded, what you can do is you can go to insert and then go to image, go to upload from computer, and then insert the image that you just downloaded. Now, uh, you can see that the image has been inserted right in top of the other. Now you can see that the one behind was editable. Now just keep this in front and then you can see this one is not editable. You can even create a new slide and then add it there. Copy this and then paste it in another slide and then you can just delete the editable slide as well. And there you go. This is how you lock images and elements in your Google Slides. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.